There are only two supreme realities in this world. One is energy and another is supreme consciousness. In Ved, it is called Purush and Prakriti. Prakriti is energy and Purush is supreme consciousness. Entire universe, whatever we observe, we feel or we see, each and everything is energy, the Prakriti. The element by which this energy is created is dead and dry. That's why it's certain, it's fixed, it follows rules of this universe. The lifelessness, the deadness always follow rules and principles of this universe. Lifelessness never revolt. It's the life which revolt, which differ from rules of this universe, not deadness. Energy always follows the rules of this universe because it's lifeless. It has no consciousness. Then raises a question: who created this energy? Who made the rules of this universe? Answer is nobody created this energy. Energy is a certain, a fixed vibration which escaped from uncertain supreme consciousness. It's like a shadow of that supreme brightness. The force which made this energy, this vibration, to escape from the supreme consciousness, this very force made the rules of this universe. And in Ved, this force is called Maya. In other words, it's the Maya who created this lifeless, this dead energy, this universe. This entire energy, this universe is very much chaotic, but deeply follows rules made by forces, the Maya, rules of motion and speed, rules of creation and destruction. And this entire forge, this entire matrix creates enormous amount of data. This data of lifeless energy, this data of deadness has depicted in a language, and that language is called time. Time is the language of dead energy, the past. In Sanskrit, time has a very beautiful word. That word is Kal. Kal has two meanings. Kal means time. Kal means death. This word Kal perfectly interprets the real meaning of time. Yes, time is language of lifeless energy. Time is language of past. It has no life. It has nothing new. If we deeply observe, time is collection of pictures and calculations of past incidents. Everything about time is past. Time has no present at all. Then raises another question: what is present? Present is consciousness. Present is life. Let's try to understand it in detail. Just imagine this world of energy as a dead desert, and in that desert there is nothing except sand. No life, nothing. And in that desert, a tiny circular wind, a whirlwind, appears. And in that spinning wind, sand and dust also start spinning by the force of that wind, just like tornado. And in nucleus of that whirlwind, that tornado, is the consciousness, the life, the present, around which the sand of lifeless energy revolves. Dust of past revolves. Each living creatures in this world is that whirlwind, that tornado. And in nucleus of each of them dwells consciousness, the life, the present, which is called Atman. But the current of this energy is so strong that this makes us to be part of that lifeless energy. And each one of us spend our entire life in the dust and sand of this dead past. And we never get any experience of our nucleus, the present, the life. We never ever experience present in our entire life. We only experience past or immediate past. And the ultimate experience of endless present is called Samadhi. Samadhi is experiencing pure present. Then what is our present, which we are experiencing now? Like you are just listening this lecture or watching this world right now. This is actually not present, but this is immediate past. Let me explain with an example. For instance, you are cooking food and one of your finger happens to touch the flame. What you do? You immediately pull back your hand and you think this is happening in present. But when you analyze in deep what's happening here, as your finger touch the flame, the information of burn of your skin is transferred to brain, and incident of this burn become past, and brain order to pull your hand back, and this order of brain become past, and then you pull your hand back. This happens in fraction of second, but this fraction of second is very very long, like centuries in somewhere else in the world of energy, in quantum world. At the level and beyond proton, electron and neutron, these seconds become like year or century. What's happening there? Time slows down. But I say time starts fading. Past start fading. At that level of quantum, distance between frames of time increases and gap between them start exploding. Time become unstable, time frames jumbles. Because that's where the forces of Maya appear. That's the infinite vibration escaped from infinite present. It's like the lines of grand architect of this cosmos. It works like an ultimate curtain from supreme consciousness, from eternal present. The present which we are experiencing is nothing but dance of two immediate past. And we spend our entire life in the desert of past. Our happiness, our deep pain, everything is past, immediate, dead past. But as one starts searching inside, one enters in dhyana, the art of discovering self. Our thoughts starts losing its velocity. Time frames of mind starts fading up. Our memories of past, dreams of our future starts losing its grip from our consciousness. The present starts blossoming. We start experiencing consciousness, and for the first time in our life, we become life itself. Then another question arises: how creatures came in this world? How our consciousness, this life, this present, came in this dead world of energy, the world of this past. The two supreme realities, the energy and the supreme consciousness, are like two infinite circles. These two circles, energy and consciousness, are extremely chaotic. But these two infinite circles intersect each other at points, and the common area of these intersections are fine-tuned by both chaotic forces. The infinite pull of both circles in opposite directions make this common area bit settled. This common area of intersection of both infinite circles, science calls it habitable zone, and Ved perfectly calls it Panchabhuta, the five past. When these five pasts, affected by energy and consciousness, creates five conditions for life. These five conditions are called Panchatattva. Five basic conditions are gravity of planet, water, oxygen, temperature and atmosphere. In Sanskrit, it called Prithvi, Jal, Agni, Akash and Vayu. In this habitable zone, in this Panchatattva, blissful reign of consciousness starts happening. A breeze of eternal present start moving in the land of dead energy, the dusts of past. The gravity, the current of this present attracts the sand and dust of dead past and form bodies. Thus life begins. Thus entire creatures are born. That's why in Ved, creatures are called Sarva Bhutani, all bodies of past. Each creatures in this earth, each one of us, are the flames of the infinite present, covered by dead energy, thickly enveloped by dead past. This thick frame of past and thoughts becomes our mind. And Dhyan is the only way to discover present beyond these frames of past. Dhyan is a journey from dead past to eternal present, from dead energy to the life, to the consciousness. This entire universe is like infinite circle within infinite circle. It's a very mysterious game of supreme consciousness, infinite within infinite, completeness within wholeness. In Ishavasya Upanishad, it said, Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyude Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. According to me, the translation should be, this present, this completeness is everywhere. This infinite present coming out of infinite present and still infinite complete present remains back. If you have any question, please ask. I answer it in coming lectures. Thanks for listening me very patiently. I pay my gratitude to the Supreme Consciousness present in each and everybody. I bow to that ultimate possibilities present in each one of you.